Hello my dear students, how are you? So today we will read exercise 58. The first question is this. Look at the adjoining figure and name. So in this question you have to tell three things. First, radius shown in the figure and diameter shown in the circle and chords. Okay. So firstly I am going to tell you what is radius. The distance between the center of a circle and any point on it is called its radius. The distance between the center of a circle and any point on it is called its radius. How? Just see. OA is the radius, OD is the radius, and OB is the radius, you can say. OC is the radius, O is the radius, OF is the radius, and OG is the radius. These are the radius. Suppose you are going to make any circle of 3 cm. So this 3 cm means OA. This 3 cm will be OA equal to radius. This will be your radius. Radii is the plural form of radius. Okay. So first I am going to tell you what are the radii. So you can say here OA, then OD, after that OB, OC. Okay, these are the radii and OE and OG. OE and OG. Now you have to tell the diameter. So diameter, you can see this line is going from the center. So this is the diameter. So AB is the diameter, and one line is also going from the center, that is CD. That is CD. So AB and CD is the diameter. Now you have to tell the chords. So you can see how many chords are there. There are 4 chords. AC, okay, then BD, and AB and CD is also, I think, AB and CD. The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So AB and CD will be also chord. So in the first question, you have to make the figure, then you have to write the names. Okay. Question number 2 is filling the blanks. So you can do question number 2 with the help of definitions which I have given in the PDF form. And true false, filling the blanks and true false you can do in your book. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 4. What is question number 4? In question number 4, radius is given. Radius is given there. What? The radius is given there 8 cm. And it is asking diameter. So diameter, the formula I will send you in the PDF form. Diameter formula is there 2 multiplied radius. So 2 multiplied, and what is radius? Given in this question 8. So 2 will be multiplied by 8 centimeters. So it will be 16 centimeter. Okay. In question number 5. Now question number 5. In question number 5, the diameter is given there. Diameter is given there 10 centimeter, and it is asking radius. So radius will be the half of diameter. So you can say diameter upon 2. So 10 upon 2 means 5 centimeter will be your radius. The radius is half of the diameter, or you can say the diameter is twice the radius. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 6. In question number 6, it is saying that draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, name its center O, and draw and mark. So at first you have to draw a circle of 4 centimeter. I am going to draw here. You have to use compass to draw this figure. With the help of compass, you can firstly you will measure the 4 centimeter distance at your scale. Then you will draw a circle of 4 centimeter. So, and name its center as O. And what is the radius of this circle? 4 centimeter. So radius will be OM. You have to draw a card here. So this is the first figure. Now you have to draw a card also. So what you do? mm. The card is mm. So you have to make here a card mm. And you have to make a diameter also xy. So you have to draw a line like this. Xy will be the diameter of the circle. Okay. So like this you can do question number 6. Now in question number 7. In question number 7, what do you do? At first you have to measure a distance of 2.5 centimeter with your compass on scale. Okay. Then you have to make a circle of 2.5 centimeter. So I have not compass, so I am assuming that this is 2.5 centimeter. So like this you have to make a figure in question number 7 of 2.5 centimeter radius. You have to draw a circle. Okay. So now this chapter is finished, and question back 12 you have to fill in your book only. Okay students, I hope you understand it well, each and everything. Okay, thanks, have a nice day.